Hello teacher, introduce myself, talk about my trip experience in Girardot and the water in Girardot. Recommendation if you go to Girardot. And my presentation. My name is Mónica Andrea Lengua. I am 23 years old. And I was born in Rio Sucio Caldas, and I work taking care of an old lady and the life with her. I like playing soccer and riding motorbikes. I am singer. My trip experience in Girardot. And last vacation, I went to Girardot. I stayed there for 1 week, and when with the old lady I take care of, and I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid 22 pesos for bird. I also liked it because there were a lot of places to go. For example, I went to this swimming pool and I liked it a lot. I came back on June 24th, 1 month ago, because I start working the day after. The water in Girardot, there was sunny, and one day it was cloudy, and at night water was warm, and sometimes was rainy. Temperature is 27 centigrades. I recommendation. It is recommend that people use umbrellas to protect themselves from the heat. It is better not to leave children alone in the pools. It is important to wear a hat to drink water. It is advisable to use repellent to avoid insects. I recommend to visit the beautiful city and its surroundings. It is recommended to wear fresh clothes, and you ought to take care of your personal belongings. People should go to visit the Royal Bridge. It is a beautiful place here at Dot. Should do here at Dot. People should go to visit the Royal Bridge. It is a beautiful place in here at Dot. People would to go Peñaliza Hotel. It is a nice place, and the service is a wonderful. They ought to take care of their personal belongings. It is better to use sunscreen, the water, and avoid standing sun. What people should do, they should wear warm clothes. It is better not to leave children alone in the pools. They are not to go out without sunscreen. It is better not to walk alone. Thank you. Esta fue mi presentación. Gracias.